open. Good, and close onto my thumb. Yeah.
You can even abbreviate them if you want.
Yeah, that probably would be good. Good, and just relax for a moment. Very good, and then open again. Good, and close. Very good, and relax. Good, and then one more. You're going to turn your head a bit to the side. Okay, and then open. Good, and close.
If you could tilt your head back a little bit so we can get there. You
Okay.
go.